Being a member of Volkswagen Group has its root at Bavaria, Germany, having the better fit and finish quality other than other German automakers, having the best balance between sports and luxury. Welcome to another exciting video of Wagon and World. Today, we are focused on one of the best German automakers known for its mysterious four rings, Audi. Audi comes as a luxury branch of VW Group, who actually owns this luxury giant and racing monsters. It has the best sports cars, sick among youngsters. The first produced sports car for Audi in 1910 was the Audi Type A Sports. The Type B was also launched, both were success particularly in sporting events. Horch, the brand manufacturer for Audi, led his team through straight victories in Austrian Alpine Run, and rest is history. The most famous sports car for Audi, 3R S6 Avant, the fast wagon with gloss black front grille to cool looking back profile. It started in 1994 as RS2 Avant, the 2.2-litre turbocharged 5-cylinder, then RS4 Avant, and the RS6 Avant. Adding more performance and power, Avant brings very fast, exclusive and functional events. The RS is the performance badge for Audi. Everything on this car looks more aggressive. This car gets special LED laser headlights. The Audi A8 is the most high-tech car ever. The beautiful LED lights balance between luxury and sports, with lots and lots of chrome treatment ahead. Audi A8 is the 4-door full-size luxury sports sedan. Since 1994, succeeding the Audi V8 and now in its 4th generation. With all-wheel drive in short and long wheelbase variants, a new 4th generation Audi A8 revealed in 2017, taking brand flagship model to whole new level. With 340 horsepower, 3-litre V6. Interior for this car is more luxurious and premium. There are been many generations for this mind-blowing car. 2003, 2005, 2013 and 2017. The most favorite for racing and well known among youngsters, Audi TT. The new version TTR has got wings. The cabin is most modern. Alcantara on steering wheel. The beautiful coupe shape. A big intercooler to cool the big engine, and standard LED headlights. Some select and deselect option on rear wings. The classic RS oval exhaust. This car competes with iconic Toyota Supra, Porsche Cayenne GTS and BMW M5. The absolute lovely cabin inside, with brilliant and simple design. Had the first generation in 1999, the Audi TT Roadster, with first Roadster built by Audi. The 2006 model V6 with 3.2 liters, 160 horsepower. The next generation in 2008 with some bold and elegant looks. The 2014 and 2018, the new 1RS is with 394 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 3.24 seconds. The sedan section is filled with luxury, elegance and beautiful looks. The A7 tops the list with some major sleek design and lots of space. The seats and dashboard made up of premium quality. The engine bay consists of big fat engine. The all LED headlamps and tail lamps are just magic. With maximum power of 241 horsepower at 4000 to 4500 RPM. The 6-cylinder maximum torque 500 Newton meters at 1400 to 3250 RPM. The 2020 Audi A7 packs plenty of performance. The standard V6 engine moves big sedan easily. The leather finish, the center console is simplified and filled with many features. The short LED screen, the A3 convertible cabriolet. This vehicle consists of small engine. The most highlighted feature, it is convertible. Daytime running lamps. With reasonable pricing, Audi quality feels excellent. The engine gearbox performance. The cons like rear seat space restricted. Overall size too small for a prestige salon. 2018 generation was with a simple design with a punchy interior. 2013 with the bold models. 2016 models redesigned grille and larger intakes. Front new matrix LED headlights. The interior got a trim reshuffle, jam assist and optional emergency assist. The engine range has been updated for a better performance and lower fuel consumption. A3 cabriolet comes with 1.4 TF SI with 116 horsepower. The A4 is a bit perform and luxury car. The engine is well packaged and compact in size. The bigger front grills, the car looks sharp and elegant as well. The all-LED DRL looks very beautiful. The length of side profile isn't that much. The rear looks consist of subtle elements with dual exhaust for diesel version and one for petrol. Audi A6 has many major changes for driving easier. The body combines aluminium and steel which result in a weight reduction of 15%. According to Euro NCAP, the test of 2018, A6 scored more than 90% in every section at speed of 50 km per hour on an average. The interior is classy as usual. The stitching on dashboard seat made up of leather upholstery. The 8-way power adjustable heated front seats. Infotainment system is built small and simplified. New version comes with many features. The adaptive air suspension control damping is standard on Audi A6. 360 view camera which is handy on front screen and gets 3D image on car. Rear wheel steering. The rear wheel moves opposite direction crossing the roundabout. Audi top competitors are Mercedes-Benz, Aston Martin, Volvo, Jaguar and BMW. The SUV section is filled with engineered and luxurious feel, amenities cutting edges, technologies with legendary quattro all-wheel drive, as standard turbocharged engine. The all-new battery electric, the Audi SUV family is poised to exceed expectations. Audi Q2. They say good things comes in small packages and that is entirely true of this outstanding but very smart crossover with a classy interior. Audi Q3. Life is a balancing act where families are concerned, and Audi Q3 fits in that criteria very well. The all-electric Audi e-tron Sportsback concept embodies the symbiosis of electrification and everyday usability, accelerates from 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds, produces 320 kilowatts of power. It combines the performance with high degree of comfort and a range up to 500 kilometers per hour. Audi plans to offer 12 purely electric models by 2025, expecting Audi A8. Write us in the comment section what's your view on Audi purely electric cars. Audi is presenting its concept car Audi A8 Trail. The car combines futuristic design with autonomous driving, electric mobility and a special connection to nature. From 1938, they were the first company to perform crash tests with dummies. The Audi K in 1921 was the first left-hand drive vehicle in Germany. Audi cars are showcased in many incredible movies. Will Smith is a brilliant actor, but to some Audi enthusiasts, the real star of 2004 movie Robot was Audi RSQ. 50 Shades of Grey. How many of you got dragged to theatre by your girlfriend to see 50 Shades of Grey? The saving grace of the movie unwillingly boyfriend across the globe when Audi A3 sedan followed by Audi R8 appeared on screen. There are many celebs who love to drive Audi. Katy Perry has been seen many times in LA driving her Audi A5. David Beckham owns Audi A7 and A4. At first glance, Kendall Jenner is a model and celebrity sister, but her garage reveals her great taste in cars. She picked her Audi R8 Spider last year.